While you're sleeping, people are printing tons of money online without even showing their face. A lot of YouTube channels recently are built using just a simple AI avatar. This channel, for example, gained 9,000 subscribers with just 4 videos in only 2 months, simply by using a cartoonic AI avatar. And here's the best part. It's insanely easy to create one. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to make your own talking avatar and start your content creation journey using a simple tool called Mango AI. It's an all-in-one content creation tool that helps you create talking photos, cartoon avatars, talking animals, even singing characters. All that with just a few clicks. So if you're starting a faceless YouTube channel, making viral shorts, or want to tell animated stories, Mango AI is a great option. Let me show you some of its best features and start by creating our avatar. We'll go with Talking Photo. You can upload a photo or choose from Mango's ready-made avatars. You'll find a lot of choices: realistic style, talking animals, and cartoonic avatars. In the realistic style, you can choose a photo and remove the background, change the background, select an emotion, or choose a headshot. You can pick between all those people. It's super simple. But for today's video, I'm focusing on the cartoonic style because I personally find it more fun and beginner-friendly. Plus, I'm preparing a full tutorial soon on how I create my own super realistic avatar for free using multiple tools. So make sure to subscribe if you want that full course. Now, back to the cartoonic avatars. The pre-made ones are great, but I want to show you how to create a custom one. So here's what I did. I asked ChatGPT to give me a prompt for a cartoon avatar that looks like a YouTuber. Here's what I wrote. Give me a prompt to generate a cartoonic-style avatar for my YouTube channel, wearing a hoodie with the text YouTube on it, in its studio. Then I copied that prompt and pasted it into Leonardo AI. Generated a few options, and I chose this one. Now go back to Mango and write a script or upload an audio file. If you choose to write text, you have a variety of voices you can pick from. Since our character is male, let's change the gender to male and pick a fitting voice.
On a summer afternoon.
On a summer afternoon.
On a summer afternoon, they gathered the colorful balloons from the ground.
This one sounds great. Let's add a few poses to make the scene feel more natural. You can choose the pose length. You can also choose a facial pose. If you select none, the face won't move at all while talking. I recommend putting it on medium for natural movement. Same for the lip scale. Once everything is ready, just click Generate, and the video will be ready in a short time. Let's watch it together.
Hello, guys. I'm gonna be your new friend and take Freeman's place. It's gonna be nice, isn't it?
Enough. I don't like that one. All right, let's change to talking animal. If you don't know, I'm a fan of those cute talking animals. Oh, a lot of choices, dogs and cats. I'll choose this cute squirrel, put a text, choose a voice, and generate.
If you find me cute, subscribe to this channel. And don't forget the like.
Nice. Let's make them sing now. Mango AI gives us 2 fun options, singing photos and singing animals. We're going with singing animals. I'm picking this gangster dog right here, then uploading a song. You can upload an audio file up to 15 minutes long. Now just set the singing scale, pose scale, and lip scale, and hit generate.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Good. You have a lot of other features. You can try them yourself. I'll put all the links you need in the description. Let me show you one last feature. AI Avatar. First, put your script and choose an AI voice from the library.
Anyone who takes the time to listen is either an old soul or a romantic one.
You can adjust the video settings if you want. Change the resolution or aspect ratio. You can add an intro, transitions, background music, even both. After that, move to Avatar. You can choose from photos, cartoon, and human. I'm going with human for a natural look, and choose one from the library. Then we can change the background. A lot of options here too. I'll go with this one and adjust the avatar placement. Finally, click Generate.
Listen, let me tell you something Freeman didn't mention. You can do everything I just showed you right from your phone. Yep, you don't even need a laptop. Just your mobile, and you're ready to create magic.
Yep, that's totally true. Thanks for remembering. Like that, the video ends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something.
Don't forget to
illogical,
subscribe.
something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.